If you are wondering whether a PPT can be saved as a video, the answer is yes. My name is Vikram and I welcome you all to our channel Live Live. So let's see how we can do it. We have this PPT and this have animations in it. So we have this animation pane and these animations are already present there. So let's play the animation for a while. Play all. So this kind of animations we have in this PPT. If you want to know how to create this animation effect, do check our videos. The link is also given in the description, or you can go to our channel page to find the playlist. So let's close it. What we have to do is we have to go to the file and then save as, and then click the destination. And now we have given it a file name of 1234 and save type as mpeg4 video. So the file output file will be saved as mp4 file. It's in progress, it will take a while, depends on the length of our video. So let's wait for a while. So we have minimized it. It has been transported on the desktop 1234. So we have played it. This is the beautiful video that have been created from our PPT. Let's enjoy and do watch the other videos and don't forget to subscribe. This is for the now. Vikram signing off from now. Thanks a lot for watching.